So we understood in the previous lecture that the language model is nothing but a model which takes a sequence of words as an input and predicts the next token, that is called a language model. Now let's try to understand why the model is called as a large language model. Okay. For example, let's take these graphs, right? So if we take y is equal to ax plus b, how many parameters do we have here? We have two parameters, a and b. It's a simple straight line, right? Now let's see the quadratic graph, right? So we have three parameters here, a, b and c. And the next graph is we have four parameters here, A, B, C and D. Now let me tell you the facts about LLMs. LLMs have billions of parameters. And if we see the scale of this, we can easily visualize a two-dimensional surface and three-dimensional surface as well. And it's hard to visualize a four-dimensional surface, right? Then imagine how can you visualize a model which has billions of parameters. It's hard to analyze with our brains, right? Also, each parameter has a certain value which is optimized so that we can predict the next token. So that's why these models are called large language models. And these LLMs or large language models help us to predict the next token given a set of words as an input sequence, right? So if the model is predicting the next token, why are these models called language models? Maybe they should be called next token prediction models, right? So we will come to that point. First, let's go to ChatGPT and let's ask a question here. So for example, let's say list the top 10 places to visit in winter, right? Let's try to get the answer. So if you see here, this is searching. So what happened here? We gave an input sequence, that is list the top 10 places to visit in winter, and the LLM ChatGPT tried to predict the next set of tokens one by one. Do you think ChatGPT is 100% confident enough to predict the output? That means, is it deterministic prediction or probabilistic prediction? It is probabilistic prediction, right? That means the LLM chooses the token that has the maximum probability of being the next token in that sequence, right? So remember, LLM will predict only one token at a time. So you may be thinking it is generating all the tokens at a time, right? But in reality, it only generates one token at a time, okay? One by one. So we understood that LLM predicts the next token in a probabilistic manner. That is, LLMs are the next token prediction engines. Whatever the word that has the highest probability, that word will be considered as the next token or word. So the quick brown fox jumps over the lazy and the next word which has the highest probability. Dog, cat, do, dogs, right? So we have a bunch of words and dog has the highest probability, that is 97.98%. So this word will be considered as the next word. So with this you understood what a language model is and why the model is called a large language model. All right. Thank you.